So I try to push this one inside. It's not going inside. Look at it here. So if I take this one off, you can see it's screwed here. So when I try to push it, it doesn't pop off the screen. That's the problem I'm having here. Even when I try to use two hands to do it, I don't know. Let me try to put this camera in up so that things will work out well. See here now. So I'm gonna do it. It's not pushing. I've tried many methods, seems that it's not working. Don't know what else to do. I've been able to remove the screw here before. I'll pull off this thing thinking that I'm supposed to like do this one first and push the button here, but still it didn't work. So I tried to put this in back, put it back, screw it back, yeah, to take the same step that you took before on your own tutorial. But when I screw this back, the handle or the standing, when I screw it back, then get back to the screw underneath where I can push for the screen to pop up, it's still not popping up. So it's something that I don't understand, honestly. I don't really understand. Look at the screen here. You see the type of the screw I got here. So when I put the stuff there, it doesn't pop up. But one thing about this is that it can turn, the screw can turn both left and right, but still it doesn't make any impact to pull off the screen. The screw can turn, as you can see here, it's turning just a little bit, left and right, left and right, left and right, but then it cannot, when I push it, it cannot even indicate as if something is going inside to push up the screen outside. You know, all what the screw can do is to turn left and right, left and right, left and right, a little bit, turn left and right, but that does not show any impact. So I just got this problem with this, so I don't know what else to do. If you have a solution to it, please let me know, because I'm just stuck here. I need to just unscrew this, and I've got this I've got my drives here, like this drives to install. This one is 8 gig. Yeah, my PC unit is already 8 gig, so I want to make it 16 gig. This one is M2 terabyte. So I'm just waiting to do it, but I cannot open this stuff here. I cannot open it. That's the problem. Please give me more guideline. I will appreciate. Thank you very much.